Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel and this is Ferdy. Today is January 2 and ngayon po pupunta po tayo sa Tokyo para maglibot-libot. And sa nakikita nyo, masyadong malamig dito. Habang nagsasalita ako, umuusok. Bali, nagsusnow na rin dito guys. Kung kailan paalis na tayo tsaka nag-snow. Ayan. Naghihintay lang tayo dito sa bus stop. Hello guys, so right now we're in this ramen shop. Bumili tayo ng tonkotsu ramen. So we are just waiting for the ramen. Doon nila ginagawa yung ramen. Ayan. So sila yung mga staff. Tapos, ayan, ticket vending machine lang yung ano natin dito. Processing nila for orders. Tamago or egg. Tapos seaweed flakes of fish ata to. Fish flakes. So, try natin. So guys. Let's mix. Try natin itong ramen. Hello guys, as you can see, ang ating staff dito sa hotel ay mga robot. Cool. See? Hello! And high-tech yung na-book namin ng hotel. So, here we are guys. Nasa loob na ako ng hotel. Ganda ng amenities nila. So, may flat screen dito. And may safe box and ref ata yun nandun sa baba. Tapos, ayan. Para makontrol nyo yung room. Light, USB, charge. So, we will stay here for the night and prepare lang kami. Mamaya ulit guys. Hello guys. So ngayon nasa Hiei Shrine tayo. And outside of the shrine may mga paninda sila. Ayan. So yun yung kinain natin na Japanese beef. Dun sa Fujisan. Ayan. Meron sila dito. And nandun din yung kinain natin na fish. Ayan. So, order tayo ng Karubi guys. So, yan yung mga prices nila guys. Tang, beef Karubi, pork belly, special beef, and beef skirt. So, mas mahal yung dalawa dun. 1,000 yen. And this is only 800 yen. So, it is approximately 400 pesos. And dun naman sa kabilang stall, takoyaki. So, dinip ng staff dun sa special sauce yung in-order namin. Titingnan natin mamaya. Hi! So, kainin muna natin guys yung Karubi. Hello guys, so bali naghugas muna tayo dito ng kamay kasi required daw, sabi ng asawa ko. Tradition daw nila dito yon. Kailangan maghugas before pumasok sa shrine. And papasok na tayo guys. So nandito tayo sa mga Torii Gates. Nagpicture lang tayo kanina. Hello guys, so bali punta kayo dito if ever lang mapadpad kayo dito sa part ng Tokyo. And magandang mga pwedeng picturean dito. Ayan. Baba lang tayo guys. Hello guys. So now we're in Ginza. Hinahanap natin ay DSM. Dover Street Market, Ginza. So pakita ko lang yung view. Here we have a lot of designer shops. Just like Coach. Ano pa dito? Kate Spade. Gaganda na guys. And hindi ako familiar sa brand na to. The Hourglass. Ayan. Meron din silang tailor shops dito. Ayan. Ito closed. Meron din pala ditong Uniqlo, but we're going for DSM or Dover Street Market here in Ginza. So, there you go. DSM Ginza. So they have CDG. Ayan, Comme des Garçons. So pasok tayo sa store nila. So they have this blazers. Comme des Garçons blazers. So nandito yung mga brands na makikita nyo. Dito sa building na to. Ayan, sobrang dami. Ayan. Halos lahat nandito na. Ayun, Nike DSM Ginza oh. They also have Wales Bonner na pair ng Adidas. And marami pang iba, hindi pa namin nalibot. Pero kasi nagmamadali lang kami. Marami pa kami pupuntahan. Hello guys, so here we are sa harap ng Hachiko statue. Ayun sila. Marami nakapila for pictures. So, doon yung Shibuya Crossing mamaya. Punta tayo doon. I-admire lang natin yung Hachiko statue. Ayan. There you go. So that is Hachiko for you. So, that's the Shibuya Crossing guys. Hintayin na natin yung stoplight. So, yup. Marami nagpipicture dito. Ayan. Nakita niyo yung saya ng Shibuya dito paggabi. So that's it. Daming tao guys. Daming turista. Dami na ditong restaurant guys. Unlike dun sa Fujisan or Mount Fuji, wala masyadong tao and maaga sila nagko-close. Dito sobrang lively talaga. Kaya gustong-gusto ko talaga Tokyo. So, meron tayong IKEA dun sa kanan. And we have a BC Mart Grand Stage on our left. So, my favorite place to shop, GRs or General Release sneakers. Diyan. So, there you go. So, dito guys, may Burger King sila. Unlike sa Nagoya, we only have it in Osukanon. Ayan. Burger King here in Shibuya. So, on our left, ramen shop. Ayan yung mga selection nila. So, dito sa kanan naman guys, Atmos for the ladies. That's a retailer store for sneakers. So, bali guys, yun yung Shibuya for you. Ganito talaga dito sa Tokyo since this is the biggest city in the world. Bigger than New York actually. Kaya sobrang daming tao. Meron pa silang collaboration swatch doon. And here, Omega Swatch just sitting in their Shibuya store. Ayan. So, that's the Atmos store guys. So here we are outside the store. And they still have the Under My Car collaboration and Ojos. I think that's Gel Cayano 14. And dun sa taas, yung Ojos collaboration with Atmos. Pasok tayo guys. They still have the DMPs. Vomeros. A bunch of Vomeros here. So dito pala guys, meron sa Bear Bricks. Nagbabantay. Don't touch please. A lot of Pumas. And Vapor Max on steroids. So this is Grounds. A Japanese brand. In-house brand apparel. Yan. Atmos. Embroidered yung logo nila. A lot of Crocs sitting here. The sandals and the Salehis. Salehi collaborations, by the way. Meron din sila ito. Napaka-rare nito. Geometric clogs by Crocs. So, pagbaba natin guys, we have New Balances. And here is the collaboration with Atmos. Black and white. Yung end logo niya parang basketball material. Ayan. Ang cool. So, labas na tayo. Meron din pala tayong GU dito guys. Ang laki ng GU nila. So guys, they have Taco Fanatico here. Just like we have in Nagoya. So our favorite place in Nagoya, Taco Fanatico, they have their branch here. The shop of Human Made. And here they have socks. Ayan. 2,200 yen. Ayan. They also have a shop in Harajuku. So, there you go. You can visit Human Made here. And kung gusto nyo magpa-hook, sabihan nyo lang ako guys. They have their plushie here. 10,780 yen. Meron silang boxers, stickers, and ayun, storage. Small storage. And ito yung shop nila. Human Made. So, we have here a store of Bear Bricks. Hindi ko alam kung retail store sila or resale store. But, ito yung mga selections nila. Ayan. So we have this figurine over here. Ayan. Clouds. Meron din silang sapatos. Orchetro ata to. Meron tayong Jack Skellington na Bear Bricks dito. As long as the Sesame Street and Have a Good Time brand. 400% and 100% guys. Ayan. Hindi lang 1,000% ang nandito. So, art toys. That's what we have here. Ayan. Kompleto ata sila dito. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano mga nasa loob. Ayan. Sorayama. Para siyang museum dito guys. Oh. Naka-display na art. So, kung ano man interpretation nyo dyan, that's what art is. Diba? It invokes thoughts and, you know, your own take. Kung ano impression nyo dyan sa art. The store is called 2G. So, it's in Shibuya. They also have fragment Bear Bricks here. Ayan, wooden yung material. So, ayan siya. Do not touch. So, a lot of designer stores here. Maison Margiela, Kenzo over there, and Marc Jacobs. Ami Pari guys. They have Ami Pari here. Alexander Mattiusi. Dating bumibili sa atin Ami. Meron tayo dito. Just message me na lang. So, outside of the parko, meron tayo ditong vape store. I'm not sure if we can take pictures inside, but dito tayo sa harap. So, this is Vape Store Shibuya. So, may pila sila guys. Siguro next time na lang to. Unlike Nagoya, onti lang ang tao. Dito, it's a touristic place, so it's understandable. You have to line up for the store. So, guys, here we are outside of Kith. Ito yung logo nila. Kith. So, as of now, napakahaba ng pila. So, yun yung interior nila, guys. Ito yung entrance. Makikita nyo sa taas and then sa walls, punong-puno siya ng Nike Air Force 1 Low, triple white. So, here is a closer look. Ayan, mga Air Force 1 nakapaligid. Hello guys, so bali malapit na tayong makapasok. Meron din sila dito sa side na to ng mga Air Force 1. Ayan, may kulay sila. Ang ganda oh. Hindi ko alam kung tunay na sapatos yan. Feeling ko hindi. And sa nakita nyo dun sa loob, yun yung mga collaboration ni Kith sa iba't ibang brands. Bali, abang-abang lang tayo dito. Medyo mahaba pa yung pila. Yan.